Everyone, welcome back to All Things with Tip. So today I am doing a review on some magnetic lashes. Got them off of Amazon. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up while I am on here with you all. I ordered it, I believe, maybe Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Ordered them Saturday or Sunday. Today is Wednesday. So they did come pretty quick. So they're called Invisible Magnetic Eyelashes and Eyeliner Kits. Kit comes with 10 cleaning cotton swabs, 6 pairs false eyelashes, 1 magnetic eyeliner pen, 1 traditional magnetic liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna put the name in the bottom of the video. Okay, it's by Sisilily, and again, I'll put that name in the bottom of the video. Alrighty. I've used magnetic eyelashes before I believe by Ardell, but they were not easy to use at all. They just had the magnets on the lashes, and it was very difficult for me to use. I wasn't even able to get them on, so it was really just a waste of money. So we're going to try these out and see what happens. Alright, and here's everything that comes in the kit. And I guess I know these are tweezers. You have your magnetic lashes. Not sure what everything else is, but we're going to figure it out. Alright, and I just noticed that these are actually different styles of lashes. So you could use these and, get a different look each time. Instead of having to throw your lashes out, get a different look each time. Okay, I don't know if I just did this wrong, but I'm supposed to shake this. I hope it doesn't get everywhere. Oh shoot, I was supposed to shake it and then press the button. Okay, so I thought I messed it up, but make sure you shake it first. Do not press this down. So make sure you shake it first and then you press the button at the top until it clicks. Let's see, make sure the button is completely pressed down. Wait 10 minutes until the eyeliner tip is soaked with liquid. Okay, and it's currently soaked with liquid, as you can see. Alright, set those to the side. And which one I want to do? They feel kind of silky. So I don't think it's like a mink or anything. Okay, but they're still not bad though. I think I'm gonna try out this pair right here. And let's see what happens. Alright. So the next step is okay, y'all, I'm trying to figure this thing out. So we're going to use this to apply it, the tube. So it says tube shape eyeliner, how to use tube shape eyeliner. Apply the eyeliner and make sure it's not too thin. Alrighty. So we're going to apply this to both eyes. Make sure it's not too thin. Alright, and I'm going to try to use my mirror instead of using this camera. It's difficult to see. Hope you guys can still see. I'm going to pull this down a little bit. Alright, and it said don't make it too thin, so I'm going to try to get it closer to my lash line. Y'all, I was trying to do the wing thing. It's not something I know how to do very well. Alright. Alright, so it says wait for 30 seconds to a minute to form the adhesive film. Alright, so while I'm waiting for that 30 seconds to a minute to go by, I'm going to go ahead and choose my lash. Oops. Alright. And it says attach the eyelashes to the eyeliner with the hand tweezer. Alright, so these are the tweezers, and these are pretty good tweezers too that come with the kit. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, but one thing I do like about this is that it's just a single lash, what you're normally used to. With the regular magnetic lashes, it comes with two lashes, so you have to try to get one on the top and one on the bottom, and it's difficult to try to match those magnets together. Alright, so it's been about 30 seconds to a minute. I'm going to go ahead and try to attach. Alright, y'all, it's sticking. Oh, shoot. Alright, and I'm just sticking them on like I would do regular lashes. Let's see if we can get this one pushed back. Only thing is, I probably should have pulled this one over. Let me see if it will let me take it off and reattach it. Okay. This corner was sticking me, so let me get some scissors and cut it off. So, gonna have to cut it off to get it where it fits. Just a second. Okay, if you guys can see, just like on a regular lash, you see those ends that don't have hair on it? I'm going to clip those off because it was sticking me. So I think it's probably good that you, just like any other lash, you would need to measure it. But I think it's pretty much the size of my eye. So we're going to try this again. Alright, and it says that, so you take the pen-like eyeliner, which is this, and we're going to fill the liner with the pen like eyeliner to make the eyeliner complete and perfect. Okay, and I'm just going to take this wing off of here if I can. I probably could have used the little swabs that it came with, but I'm just going to do it like that real quick. And this is still sticking me a little bit. I just need to, when I do the next one, I need to make sure that I measure it before I put it on there. Alright, so let's try this again. And I guess, let's see. Alright, and you can use the makeup remover and the cotton swab to remove the extra makeup. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I am going to apply the other one off camera. That way we can see both of them on there. And I will tell you, I'm going to measure it. I'm going to try to do it in the mirror so I can see good. But going to measure it first, and then I'll apply it, and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I got this one on. Let me try to get up close. To me, this one, the left side looks better. I'm not good with putting eyeliner on. But the left side looks better. Here's the right. And this one doesn't look too bad either. But this one feels better because I did measure it prior to adding it on. And then I was able to see it in the mirror and place it like I needed it to. This one feels really good. Another thing I did was what I normally do at my regular lashes is I just kind of take my eyelashes and just press them in, try to press them into the false lash. So it did it a little bit in some areas, but that just kind of helped it to blend well. But again, you know, this side I was trying to do it on camera, and this one is a little bit close to my inner eye. But this one right here feels really good. I like them. Let's see, I may be a new customer to Sisilily Lashes. So guys, make sure you guys try this on Amazon. I will put the link in the description. If you're interested, you can purchase your own. If you do, let me know how yours came out. And again, oops, comes with the cotton swabs. You have your liquid eyeliner. You have your magnetic liner. And then it also comes with tweezers. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Also, if you see anything that you want me to do, let me know. I hope that you all are still staying safe and blessed out there. Continue to be blessed. And I hope that you all are very prosperous this year. And I pray that everything that you have prayed for will come soon. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. You know what it is. Peace.